Follow along as I open up this Bluetti Power Station. Our family got this for our off-grid cabin, and in the wintertime, we keep it at home as a backup power source. I was surprised by this fancy thank you plaque. Bluetti is actually funding African families getting electricity with their grid. Next up is the main piece, the inverter. This is what you plug your single or multiple batteries into and can run power through it to the batteries using solar, home electricity, or a generator. It's your main piece that you plug everything into and can use for basic plugs, USB power, and home backup system. Moving to the battery, the first thing you see is this massive black cord, and that's the cord that connects the battery to the inverter. A very key cord right there. Pop it open, and this is what it looks like together. Batteries on bottom, inverters on the top. The battery has some simple power outlets, but mostly it plugs into the inverter, and that is where all of your power access is. There are a bunch of cords, and then here we are actually at our cabin using it. So we're going to connect it together with the main inverter to battery connection cord so the inverter can pull from the battery. In this one, we had already charged the battery fully at home by plugging it into an outlet at home, so it was ready to go. Once we plug it in, turn it on, and it has a touchscreen at the top so we can control all the settings. We're going to plug in a heater. Heaters take a lot of electricity. This battery has 3,000 watts in it, and this is taking 1,455 watts per hour. So obviously that would go pretty fast. And here's an example of charging it. We have it connected to a propane generator, and we've plugged that right in. The Bluetti can be charging while providing electricity at the same time. This is a multi-function power station, and we are so thrilled with it. I'll do more videos on it, on how to use it, but I just wanted to show you what came in the box.